Today I'm using the different blades for the IQ244 for porcelain, ceramic, and stone. As you can see, there's a variety of different blades for a variety of different materials you may find yourself needing to cut. The blue soft materials blade is for cutting marble, travertine, and other soft material. This piece of stone that I'm about to cut is a 12 by 24 piece of Chinese marble. You can see how smoothly the blade cuts through the soft stone. Now I'm putting on the combination blade. This is the blade that actually comes with the saw when you purchase it, and it's meant for cutting ceramic, porcelain, travertine, granite, and stone. I'm just cutting subway tile here with this blade. You can see how easily it goes through that. This gray blade is the hard materials blade. It's meant for cutting harder porcelain and granite. When the combination blade starts to chip on some harder porcelain, switch over to this blade for smoother results. This is a hard porcelain tile I'm cutting here. It's a little chippy for this blade, so I am going to switch out to the new Turbo hard surface blade. This is the hard materials turbo blade, meant for porcelain, granite, harder ceramic, and quartz. When you're chipping tiles on the other blades, you can bump up to this one for the best results. It's super smooth on most materials that I've run through it. Here you can see the cut quality on the ceramic, the stone, and the porcelain right off the saw from each blade that we went through. Now, each saw is going to chip a little bit because the blade cuts are similar to that of a high quality grinder, so you're probably going to want to treat the edges just like you would on the wet saw. Here I'm going to take my dry pad and go down the ceramic. You're just going to hit it a few times real quick and then move on to the next. You can see it's super smooth now. The porcelain, the same thing. I'm going to use the dry pad. You want to make sure that the pad is spinning downward on the finish. If it's spinning upward, you'd stand a chance of chipping the finish even more. And the same thing with the stone. Again, keep the diamond spinning down. Run the pad up and down the tile a few times until you get the results that you want. Here are the polished edges on the stone, the ceramic, and the porcelain. And they are ready to get installed. Another method of smoothing out your edges is by using a hand pad. This is a 50 grit block from IQ. And I'm going to take it down each cut and just rub it right down. You can go in circular direction, linear direction, it doesn't really matter. Again, you want to try and pull down on the finish so that you're not getting any additional chipping. If you don't want to take out the grinder and the chipping isn't that bad, then this is a great alternative to the other method. And here we see the results of the sanding it by hand with the block. The cut that you get from each blade is entirely dependent on the tile, so be prepared to treat your edges if needed with either the grinder or the block, and I hope this helps y'all. Stay safe.